Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people to a space you create on ClickUp. So if you have any space that you want to invite someone to, you can easily go ahead and add or invite those people. So click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to the settings, then click on spaces on the left hand side and you'll find the spaces that you have there. Now to invite anyone, just simply click on the space and you will find that it shows that you can invite someone right under sharing. So in this section here where you have invite by name or email, you can enter their email and you can just simply send them an invite. So whatever you type in, you will be able to enter their name and you will be able to invite them. So as you can see, I just try to make an email there and it says invite that. So just click on it and it's going to send that person invite, right? So that's how you're able to do it, guys, and that's pretty much it. Now you may be wondering where exactly I click, because you can click anywhere, right? But you want to click under the section where it says share with. Just simply click on those areas and you can find a pop-up here where you can invite someone, and that's pretty much it, guys.